Good evening. Welcome again to another episode of Widget Breakdown. My name is Trey Hope, as always. That will never change. And today we're going to be going over another one of my favorite widgets, the Snackbar Widget. The Snackbar Widget is essentially a mini motor that pops up and displays some text to the user. You can use this when you want them to see an error that they have made, or maybe they received a message from another user. You want to display that real quick. It's very helpful because it doesn't require the user to hit OK or anywhere on the screen to cancel it out. It'll just disappear on its own. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So right here I have this blank screen with a button that says click me, and what happens is when I hit the click me button, it displays the snack bar. So let's go ahead and demonstrate that. So this right here is the snack bar. It says you click the button. Now that right there is a little plain, a little boring, so let's modify it just a little bit, all right? As you see over here in the code, this is the actual action that takes place when we want to use the snack bar. It requires a scaffold key to be applied to the scaffold itself, and then from there, on the scaffold key, you get the current state and then call a method that says show snack bar. The show snack bar method requires a snack bar object, which we create right here. Now, this is where we can do the modification, okay? So right now, all we have is text applied to the snack bar, but let's say we want to change the color. So to do that, we'll add a background color parameter, and give it a color of, you know what, let's do indigo. I don't use that often. All right, so now we have an indigo snack bar. Now let's say we want to change the shape of it. Right now it's flat edges, maybe we want to add some corners to it, some rounded corners, so to speak. So what we'll do here is, we'll call the shape parameter, and we'll pass in a rounded rectangle border, give the border radius of all, and then say radius circular 20, all right? So essentially what we're saying here is we want the corners to have a rounded radius of about 20 pixels. Okay, hit click me. Now the corner's a little rounded, so it's a little bit more sexy, right? Next we want to say, how about we want to change the duration of it? You know, maybe 3 seconds is too long, maybe we want it to be quicker. Let's say we want it to be 1 second. So we'll call a duration parameter, pass in duration, and we'll say 1 second. So now when we click me, boom, just like that. Very quick. Kind of pointless to be that quick, but hey, at least you know that you can modify the time. Last but not least, let's change the behavior of the snack bar. Right now it's kind of like a motor that rises up. Let's just have it display and then disappear, right? So we'll call the behavior parameter, and we'll pass in a snack bar behavior object and give it a property of floating. So by default, it's fixed. So fixed means that it just rises up and goes away. Floating means this. So it kind of just displays itself on the screen and then disappears. It doesn't rise up or anything like that. It might have been a little quick because we still have our duration on 1, so we'll put it back to 3 seconds. See that one more time. You click the button. Isn't that beautiful? So essentially, that's the snack bar widget. I use it everywhere. Settings pages, login pages, home pages, any page in my app is very useful, and it should be very useful for your app as well. If this video was helpful to you, let me know in the comments. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you like it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see future videos like these. Thank you again for tuning in. My name is Trey Hope. Have a lovely evening. Stay healthy, stay humble, and be blessed. Peace.